Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipop gravy at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of your favorite fruit juice, such as cherry or raspberry, along with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch on hand for thickening, and 1/4 cup of finely crushed hard candies or lollipops to infuse that unique flavor. Now, let's start combining our base. Pour the 2 cups of fruit juice into a medium saucepan. Add the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar directly into the juice. Whisk this mixture over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Continue heating until the liquid reaches a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Next, we'll add our unique flavor and thicken the gravy. In a small bowl, create a slurry by whisking 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. Slowly pour this slurry into your simmering juice mixture, whisking constantly. Then, stir in the 1/4 cup of crushed hard candies until they completely melt and integrate. Continue cooking for a few minutes until the gravy thickens beautifully. Finally, let's finish and serve our delicious lollipop gravy. Once it reaches your desired thickness, remove the saucepan from the heat. Give it a quick taste and adjust the sweetness if needed with a pinch more sugar. This unique gravy is wonderful served warm over desserts like vanilla ice cream or fluffy pancakes. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.